Hey guys, Lauren here from Brownlow's. Another arrival into us today. We have this Ford Tourneo Custom. Automatic front and rear parking sensors, LED headlights, 17,995. Only 31,000 miles on the clock. Not a bad mileage at all. Fully inclusive with mobility access of wheelchair ramp at the rear of the van as well. Let's take a jump into the inside of the van. You've got your full cloth interior throughout, additional armrests for of course the passenger and the driver, automatic gearbox, all your climate controls down here for you as well, onto the central computer system. I'll just show you here. You've got your Android Auto, Bluetooth connectivity, DAB radio, it's all on here for you. Of course, you've got your cruise control setting on the left hand side of your steering wheel as well. And just moving this up, you do have two cup compartments here for you as well for those long distance drives. And into the side of the van here now, you do have two additional seats here at the rear, of course, with the access for the wheelchair, including the ramp just down here. Handles and, of course, steps for easy access outside of the vehicle as well. You can find the full specification of this van on our website, brownlowcars.co.uk. This will not be around for long, especially with it being automatic and only 31,000 miles on the clock. If you were to buy this vehicle, it would come with a full 12 months MOT, no advisories, serviced 3-month warranty and a 12-month AA breakdown cover. So you've got complete peace of mind purchasing. You can give me a call. My name's Lauren. I'm from the sales team here at Brownlow's. The number is 01325 484 870. If you would like to come and have a drive, you can find us on 351 Horton Road, DL1 2BP.
At Brownlow Cars, we believe everyone deserves a chance to drive the dream car. With our hassle-free finance options, bad credit is no problem. The zero deposit finance is available.
We have an amazing selection of cars and commercial vehicles, and every vehicle has our own 3 months warranty and 12 months AA breakdown cover. Visit us today.
351 Horton Road, Darlington, DL1 2BP. Brownlow Cars, the name you can trust.